Cybercrime is evolving faster than ever before, and one of the biggest reasons is artificial intelligence. Today, hackers are no longer relying only on traditional methods. They are starting to use AI to make their attacks faster, smarter, and more automated. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore how artificial intelligence is changing cybercrime. Hackers are now using AI to automate cyber attacks, which allows them to launch attacks more efficiently. Because of this, cyber attacks are becoming faster and smarter than ever before. As we move forward, artificial intelligence is also changing the way passwords are attacked. AI systems can analyze millions of passwords in a very short amount of time. By studying large datasets of leaked passwords, AI can learn common patterns that many people use when creating their passwords. For example, many users still use simple passwords like 123456 password or other common words. AI can detect these patterns much faster than humans. Because of this, brute force and password guessing attacks are becoming much more efficient and faster than before. This is one reason why using strong and unique passwords is more important than ever. Another way AI is changing cybercrime is through phishing attacks. Phishing is a technique where attackers try to trick people into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or bank details. With the help of artificial intelligence, hackers can now generate very realistic scam emails. These emails often look professional and convincing, making them much harder for people to recognize as fraudulent. AI can also analyze writing styles and create messages that appear more natural and trustworthy. Because of this, modern phishing emails are becoming more sophisticated, and many people may click on malicious links without realizing the danger. This is why it is very important to always check the sender, verify links, and be cautious when opening unexpected emails. Another serious concern is that artificial intelligence can also be used to generate malware. Traditionally, writing malicious software required strong programming skills and a lot of time. But with AI tools, attackers can now generate malicious code much faster. AI can help hackers create new variations of malware and automatically modify the code to avoid detection. Because of this, malware is evolving much faster than before. This makes it more difficult for traditional security systems to detect and stop these threats. As cyber attacks become more advanced, cybersecurity professionals must also develop smarter tools to defend against AI-powered malware. Artificial intelligence can also be used to scan the internet for security vulnerabilities. Instead of manually checking systems, AI can automatically scan thousands of websites, servers, and networks in a very short time. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can quickly identify weak security points or misconfigurations that attackers can exploit. Once a vulnerability is found, attackers can launch automated attacks much faster than before. This means organizations need to continuously monitor their systems and fix vulnerabilities quickly, because attackers can discover and exploit weaknesses much faster with the help of AI. While artificial intelligence can be used by attackers, it is also a powerful tool for cybersecurity. Security systems today use AI to monitor networks and detect unusual behavior that might indicate a cyber attack. For example, AI can analyze large amounts of network traffic and quickly recognize patterns that look suspicious. Because AI can process data much faster than humans, it helps security teams identify threats earlier and respond more quickly. By detecting attacks in real time, AI can help prevent damage and stop cyber attacks before they spread. This is why AI is becoming an essential part of modern cybersecurity defense systems. As we have seen, artificial intelligence is changing both cybercrime and cybersecurity. While attackers may use AI to launch smarter attacks, individuals and organizations can also take simple steps to stay safe. First, always use strong and unique passwords. Weak passwords are one of the easiest ways for attackers to gain access. Second, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection even if someone discovers your password. Third, always keep your software and systems updated. Many cyber attacks exploit outdated software with known vulnerabilities. Finally, be careful when opening emails or clicking on links, especially if the message looks suspicious or unexpected. By following these basic cybersecurity practices, we can reduce the risks and stay safer in the age of artificial intelligence. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.